Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Assistance. Today I'm going to help you in solving Wi-Fi problem in Windows PC. So now I'll click on Wi-Fi and I'll try to connect to my Wi-Fi network. Now one error pops up usually over here, can't connect to this network. So I'll help you in solving this error. So now you have to go to your Wi-Fi and then click on Manage Known Networks, and then you have to click on Forget Your Known Networks. And after deleting all the networks, you have to click on Add a New Network. Now you have to click here the name of the network which you are trying to connect, and the name has to be specific. Like if any space is there, then you have to include that space also, otherwise you will encounter the same error again and again. And now you have to click on WPA to personal AE as a security type, because most of the smartphones have this security only. And now you have to click on the password, and you have to click on connect automatically and connect even if the network is not broadcasting. Okay, now bingo, as you can see our Wi-Fi is showing, and we are not facing the error. So thank you very much. I hope I've helped you.